I love using different flowers in my creations. Here is the Wildflower Stems 1 and Stems 2 from Sizzix. Both sets have 5 different dies in the set. They have different flowers in each of the sets, so you don't have repeats. I love the scale of these, and I love the fact that I can pick and choose which flowers I want to use and either do a single stem or create multiple stems. These are a great size for an A2 card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and you'll see them on a card in a little bit. I love how simple and quick and easy these are to die cut, and they're a great way to use up some scraps. They don't take up a whole lot of cardstock, so it's great to be able to just pick up a scrap and die cut out of it. Anytime I die cut with these dies, they come out of the die, or the die cut comes out of the die really easily. So I don't have to pick a fight with it and try to get it out and have a hard time getting it out. They all come out really nice and easily. Just put your paper right onto the blade side of the die, and I like to put that facing up so that the roller has the most pressure goes over it, and I never have an issue die cutting. I use a die pick to poke out the end of the stem, and then I just poke out the rest of, or pull out the rest of the die cut. These are both great sets. I use them both separately and together. My favorite seems to be the daisy in each one of them. I use it quite often, and I like pairing the closed daisy from the one set with the open daisy from the other set. So I'll often put those two together.